The 2011 IS250. An interior and exterior design inspired by the world of competitive racing, the IS250's authentic performance and style are the hallmarks of this classy luxury sedan and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, all-wheel drive, traction control, navigation system, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, Bluetooth, fog lamps, compass, heated driver's seat, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, trip computer, power windows, leather seats, tachometer, heads-up display, heated passenger seat, remote window operation. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.